Alright, it's Jay here, back with more of science. So I got this Snap Circuit Junior electrical kit. This contains everything I need to show you this crazy project I got here. Alright, so I got the instruction manual that comes with it, along with this amazing set with all of this. This is amazing. The snap circuit board, I know it doesn't look like much, but we'll get into that in just a few minutes. We got all this electrical stuff. It doesn't come with batteries. We had to put this in before this video started, but we're gonna need to use those today. So today, I'm gonna be showing you the flying saucer. This is one of the coolest ones I think I've ever done, except for the other one I have that I did with my mom to show her this worked. Let's get on with it. So, okay, hey guys, I got the battery pack here. I'm gonna put this right on the circuit board. This is a circuit, this is just one of the circuits I'm gonna do on my channel, but I'm gonna do a flying saucer. So, if you're wondering what this is a M1 motor right here. The M1 motor. That for this to work, it has to be here, the plus. Okay, so now I need the on and off switch right here. Okay, now for the last part is this. This is important for this one because if without this, it won't fly. Oh no, I already failed. So this is what it's supposed to do. It is amazing trick. Okay, now let's get back for the second time. I just learned something about this that I don't have to touch it at all, so don't man me. Okay, got the motor, I got the fan, I got the circuit and the power right here. Now, it spins, but as soon as I hit this, as soon as I turn it off, it flies. It is the most amazing thing you can ever do. And if you have kids, please buy this because this will entertain them for hours. Okay? Yeah, the wristband. Let me get this off. Alright, so this is huge, by the way. This one is super, super big. I'm gonna put that there, and I'm gonna take my 3. Don't like think of anything. I'm gonna take 2. And then I'm gonna put that here. Actually, I need the speaker before I put it down. Need this. This is a big part of my thing because this is called adjusting sound level. I need this. I can't get this out. Okay, finally got that out. Why is that misplaced? Okay, now I got that. I need the bottom, which I need this 5. This 2. Then I'm gonna do this. This. Please, assistant, open that. Okay, thank you. Now let's see if this works. Alright guys, there's actually one more I forgot, but I actually did the button instead of the switch, so I can do this. But if you hold it, this happens. That is the last of alarm, I think. Alright, it was fun making circuits with you guys, but I have to go. Like and subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye!